Yo, 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 it's your boy, 828 Hoon. So today, we're getting started on this butte. The eBay Drift $700 build part 2. That's what we're gonna call it. That's a mouthful. I know y'all saw the end of last video. The car's in limp mode, so I'm thinking it might just be super low on oil, which is very possible. It looks like it's got a bunch of oil leaks. It looks like it's leaking from the valve covers. I read the codes. It's got one of the intake valve timing, which is these, is bad, but I cleaned them both up. I've ordered 2 new ones from Chinese World for 30 bucks. So I got those bad boys coming in. But for today's goal, I want to drop the oil. I'm going to change the oil, and I got all new plugs. If that don't take it out of limp mode, I don't know what will. But I left the battery unplugged overnight so that the computer can completely reset. So I'm not going to start it until I get the plugs out, change them, and drop the oil and change it. And then we'll see how she's running. I drove it last night. It was like, you know, it felt like half throttle. I've had my G in the past, and this one just feels considerably slow. All right, guys, we're back with another beautiful day. And beautiful girlfriend. Look at that smile. Zoom in on that, Troy. All right, so yesterday we had to cut this short. I wasn't able to finish plugs because Troy was having his gender reveal. Congratulations on a girl, Troy. Congrats, bro. All right, guys, first start up on camera. New plugs in, fresh oil change. We'll see how she's ripping. She is purring. Purring like a kitten. Check engine light. Nothing. The valve covers are really bad on this thing. They've never been changed, and the plugs were awful. The back cylinder on the back, the plug was just soaked in oil, and you can see it coming from the top ring of the valve cover. I definitely plan on getting a plenum gasket for the top right here, but as you can hear, she's not in limp mode no more. She's not jumping. Sounds like a normal RPM to me. So I'm gonna get this thing off the ground, or not off the ground, back on the ground, and we're gonna go take her for a rip. Power steering pump. I think somebody put automatic transmission fluid in the power steering pump. Dumbasses. But she's a ripping. Definitely needs a valve cover gasket. It's terrible. There's no telling. It's probably never been changed. I looked at the plugs. The plugs look like they had never been changed. So that's definitely coming next. I want to make sure she's sturdy before we start drifting her. Fucking send it. Driving my BMWs and then driving this thing's slow as fuck. But you don't need to go fast if you're drifting, right, Alex? There you go. We're gonna rip Aronies.
Oh shit, don't do it right here.
Alex is gonna get motion sickness.
Yeah.
Oh, Shay. You were just a big baby. That's all you are. Everybody see Callie? Come here, baby. Gosh, she's getting so big. She's getting so big. Are you getting so big? So pretty. She's a pretty puppy. Pretty puppy. Alright, see you guys in a jiffy. Woo woo! Alright, we are heading to the shop right now to grab the G35 because everybody wants to go do some shitties. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here's all the drift machines. Bro. Alright, so if the cops is anywhere near, they're gonna come quick. Jonathan better put his strap up. That's all I gotta say. What you gotta say about this, Najee?
Well, it's not legal, but
I really ain't trying to get a ticket.
You're straight. What's your take?
Drift King right there, man.
You know, I'm sad that I have new tires and I couldn't do anything, but
He could do it. He could do something, but
you can't say that a Mustang owner can't do some good. You're lucky there wasn't a crowd. Nah, you're lucky there wasn't a crowd. A Mustang owner.
hey, it was throwing y'all around, boy. I'm not gonna lie.
Get the fuck out of here.
Najee,
That back end was.
I was in
what you
pure
got to say?
control of that beast, boy. I was in pure control.
I don't think so.
I doubt it.
Alex was real scared.
Once that first kick I went.
She said her anxiety was peaking and she had to poop. All right, guys, this is the outro to my video. Everybody say bye. Everybody say bye to my
Like,
my
subscribe,
YouTube.
post notifications on. We're out here.
Watch the video before for the giveaway,
What you
cash
giving away?
giveaway. Cash giveaway. Put your PayPal down below.
Yes, sir.
All right, peace.